Good morning children and welcome back to your art activity class. Dear children, in our today's art activity class, we will do coloring. We will do coloring with the help of crayons, as we all are using crayons for so long. So today also we will color page number 21 of your art activity book with the help of crayons. In your art activity book, page number 21, you can see a picture, an outline picture. Can you identify this image? Can you identify this picture? Yes children, it is an elephant. It is a baby elephant and you have to color this outline picture with the help of crayons. For your ease, one of the sample is given on the right hand side top corner of your book. You have to see this picture and according to the picture, you have to color this outline picture with the help of crayon. So here you can see that several colors are used in this image, such as you can see the ears of the elephant is purple from inside, and then sky blue, the whole body is sky blue. Then the the toes are yellow and pink. The tongue is pink. So four colors are used to color this picture. So children, you will also use four colors. And what are these colors? Pink to color the tongue of baby elephant, sky blue to color the body of the baby elephant, purple to color the ears of the baby elephant, and yellow to color the toes of the elephant. Now children, we will start coloring. First of all, as you can see that the tongue part is very small, so you can color it in your way, because there is very few space here, so you can color it anyway. After coloring the tongue, you can color the toes. The toes are small and there is no fixed size and very less space is there, so you can use yellow crayon to color these toes. In the same way, you have to color the toes of all the four legs of the elephant, children, as I did in one of the leg. Then after, you will use purple color. With the help of purple color, you will color this portion of ear. Children, in your previous classes, I have taught you that first what we will do, we will color the inner outline. You will color the inner outline of the picture. After coloring the inner outline, you will fill the color in the middle portion, or while filling the color, you can apply crayon in any one direction. Either it is left to right or right to left, or upside down or downside up. You have to color the crayon. You have to use the crayon in any one direction to color. So as you can see that I am applying crayon in any one direction. But at first what we will do, we will first color the inner outline. So you can see here that I have colored the on this portion. And children, you have to join this dotted line with the help of black felt pen or sketch pen. If you have felt pen or sketch pen, you will join these dots by using black felt pen, and then you will color the inside portion with crayons. You have to fill this area with crayons too. So you will fill this portion with purple crayon. And in the rest of the body, for the rest of the body, we are going to use this sky blue color. So at first, what will you do? You will, with the help of black felt pen, you will join all these dots, and then you will apply this sky blue color, and you will first, what will you do? You will first apply this crayon to color the inner outline, and then you will fill the color in the middle portion of the picture. So just like this, with your very lightly, you will apply the crayon very lightly so that it looks beautiful. Okay? It will give you a beautiful look if you will apply the crayon lightly. Don't rub it with full force. Just apply the crayon lightly. And with this, you can see that I have applied the crayon. So in the same way, you have to apply crayon in the whole part of the bird, whole part of this elephant. Okay, children. So as I have instructed you that how to apply crayons and how to color, you will color this picture with your own at your home, and you will send your work to me. I hope, children, the instructions are very clear to all of you, and you will like this video. Thank you, children.